The president saw it important to go to the expo. Why? Because he's a futuristic president. He has been around, he's now in his 80s. He always wants to appreciate the global trends. And there is no occasion like an expo to capture the global trends at any particular time. When cities decide to host expos, they showcase what they are doing, they showcase what their host countries doing, but all the other countries of the world go to that expo to show themselves at their best. Now, if you're a visionary leader who is forward-looking, who cares about the future of your country and the youth, there's nothing which replaces seeing, because seeing is believing. What is seen and touched is more important than what is briefed upon in cabinet by a minister or by an expert. So in Osaka, the president took advantage of the occasion to appreciate what is going on in all the various aspects of socio-economic progress by humanity, because that's what Osaka encapsulates at this particular time. So it was a good learning experience for the president in light of the many things which he's doing to make sure that Zimbabwe takes its rightful place in the various fields of socio-economic endeavor, which will shape the future destiny of this enterprising, hard-working, organized African population, which is the Zimbabwe people.